Hey folks, how's it going? Got a few things in the mail yesterday. Today's Saturday. I think it's Saturday. Got them in last week. Um, that's not what this is about. I'm going to be doing a antenna swap on my Jetta. But first of all, I just thought I'd show you a few of the cool things I got. I showed you guys the hood ornament I got for my F-150. It was the Coyote. Check that out. Pretty cool, eh? Don't know what I'm going to do with it. It was cheap. Um, so the thing I really wanted was this. This is one of my Wish orders. I think this was Wish. Yeah. A Super Economy. It is a rooftop antenna for my Jetta. Package inside a package inside a package. So it basically sticks down with two-sided tape. My antenna on the Jetta is on the roof, but it's an aerial antenna that's about, I don't know, 2 feet long and kind of ugly. So I want to replace it. And these ones, see, they have the built-in antenna. Let's see if you guys can see that inside there. There you go. That's your antenna. And this attaches to where you take the old antenna off. In my case, like most of them, you can, there'll be a little nut you can screw like this. This came with this. It's a little nut and screw or bolt, machine screw. So you got to attach this wire to where your antenna was. And on the Jetta, it's not a female thread, it's a male thread sticking up. But it's not a standard thread, it's a weird twisty kind of thread. Kind of like if you MIG weld the tip that screws onto the MIG gun, it's kind of like that, it's like a coil. So what I've done, I can't find any nuts that'll fit it. So what I did was got my bunch of, electrical connectors like this type here, pulled the red plastic off of one of them. Well, I tried another one first to see which would fit, but the red seems to work the best, or was the blue? No, it's the blue that I'm using. Excuse my dirty fingernails. This is going to be my nut, and you'll see how it works in a minute when I go out there. So what you're going to need for that is one of these, of course, and some kind of fastener to attach this to your existing antenna mount. Some pliers or something. Little pliers, my little mini Knipex. Love these guys. Got a video on how I put the handles on these. So what I'm going to do is we'll go outside, all set up, and you guys can watch. Another cool thing I got, I'll be putting some of these on the Jetta, but mostly on the Miata. It's just an assortment of LED bulbs I ordered from Wish. There's all kinds, interior lights, 1157s, just various kinds. So it was assortment. And it was like $7 or something for all these. I'm not even sure how many pieces there are on here. There's quite a few. I have more lights coming. Another video upcoming on that. But anyway, let's get back to this. So I'm going to stop here. We'll get you guys set up. I'm going to go out, take the old antenna off, prepare it. You want to clean where this sticks down with degreaser. I use window cleaner. Spray window cleaner. Works great for everything. Invisible glass. Great stuff. So let's go outside. I'll take the old antenna off, clean around the area, and then we'll get ready to mount this. Suppose what we can do before we go out there and do that is attach the two-sided tape to the antenna itself. Let's peel that off. Let's not peel the whole thing. Let's just start with a little bit here first. You know what? Let's move this over to the vise. It'll hold it a little better so it's not so tippy on me. You don't want to clamp this in the vise and scratch it up or anything, because it's plastic, glossy black plastic, and it'll scratch really easily and show every scratch it gets. So let's put that in there, open this up a little more. It's just basically to hold it flat. A little more. That should do. Let's put this, get that started in the corner. All seems to be lining up fairly easy. Just kind of, if you can see them, sorry, you guys kind of off camera, pulling this off as I go. Just want it to go on smoothly with no bubbles or no lumps or anything. But not to worry. If there's any problem, you can just trim it. It's just regular 3M double-sided tape. Not the prettiest job I've done, but not the worst. That'll suffice. There's a little wrinkle there, but it'll straighten out once I push it on. Okay, so let's go set up outside and I'll show you guys what's happening out there. So just hang on. All right, here we are outside. That's the antenna we're taking off. So I'm just standing up on my milk crate here, and it should just screw off by hand. There we go. Now inside of there is a threaded, where are we? There we go. You guys can't really see that, but this is a very odd thread up here. In fact, I'm going to take you off the, well, I'll just bring the whole tripod up so you guys can have a look. See what I mean? It's an odd, it's not really threaded, it's just spiral. So let's go get our new antenna, or our Windex first. There's our new antenna. There's our glass cleaner. Right now, I don't know how well you guys can see it, but it's very smoky out here. There's ash all over my car from the fires surrounding all over the province. See, that sky is gray. Those aren't clouds. That's smoke. It's clear. There's not a cloud in the sky. Oh, and there goes a rabbit running by. See if you guys can see him. There he goes. All right. So we've got that cleaned up. Now, let's get our pliers and that little wire thing. So what we're going to undo is take this wire, attach it to the top of the old antenna mount, and screw that over. Where are we? There we go. There we go. Snug as a bug in a rug. Let's bring you guys up here to take a look. See what I mean? That's just acting as a nut. So let's put that back up there. Set you guys down. Oh, peel off the sticky two-sided tape. And first of all, let's see where we want it. It's going to be right about there. That should be good. Peel and stick. Come on. All right. I haven't pushed it down, it's just sitting there. I just want to make sure it's straight from the back. Pretty good. And let's push it down. Doesn't feel like it's going anywhere. Let's take a look. What do you think? Looks pretty good. Hold on, I'm gonna set you guys down and take you off the tripod. All right, there we go. That's it. She's all stuck down. Let's take a look from the back. There's our garbage. Looks pretty straight to me, well centered. Yeah, if you guys look closely, you see all those white spots? It's all ash. It's all over my car. I was parked on the street last night. So let's see, it looks pretty good from the front. Not bad. Oops, sorry there, I dropped my phone for a second. Let's take another look. That's how it looks from the back. Side. That looks pretty good. I like that much better than the ugly old antenna. See how it looks from the front? Looks pretty good. I'm digging it. Much better than the ugly old thing. Kind of sat like that. I didn't like it. This looks much better. Let's hop in the car and see how she works. See if I can actually get a radio station. I don't listen to the radio a whole lot, but I do listen to it some. Mostly streaming stuff, iTunes. That's what I listen to. The occasional CD. Anyway, let's see. Let's hop in here. Close the door. There's the old radio. So far, so good. All right, we don't want to hear any of that. Well, you guys can't hear that, but yep. 100.3, it's a local classic rock station. 100.3 The Bear. Their signal is terrible, so if I'm picking that up,
Kickstart your summer with the right gear at the Maylon.
we're good. Everything appears to be honky-dory. Time to do an oil change. Holy moly. Time to dust, too. Anyway, that's it. That's it. That's all, folks. You have any questions or comments, leave it down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. That's it. I love these lights. I might be swapping those out with LEDs. Not sure. I have another company is sending me some to try out. Yeah, that looks much better. I like that a lot. Looks good. What I'm not crazy about is the gap in the fender and the tire there. Since I put new struts on, it's riding kind of high. I'm hoping it settles down on its own, but who knows? Anyway, that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Take care and have a great day.